Welcome. If you want to set password on the application on the Realme X50 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and go for the privacy, and here you have to go for the app lock. Tap set password, input your lock method, do it one more time, and here you can type whatever you want, click done, and there we got the apps that we can lock. So I'm going to pick up maybe Google Maps, click lock, and then just check if it is working. And as you can see right now, to enter Google Maps we have to input our password. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.